Question number 10, they have given that there are two poles of equal height. Two poles of equal height standing on either side of the road. The width of the road is 80 meter. From a particular point, somewhere in the road, not exactly in the middle of the road, it is somewhere on the road, a person is viewing the top of the pole. One pole is found to have an elevation of 60 degree and the other pole is found to have an elevation of 30 degree. Now they are asking us to find at what distance is he standing from the first pole and what distance from the second pole, and what is the height of the poles. So we are going to find three things. Let us consider that he is standing at a distance of x meter from this pole. Then this distance is going to be 80 minus x, because the total distance is 80. If this is going to be x, then this is going to be the remaining distance. Now first we will take this triangle ABP. In triangle ABP, we are going to relate the opposite side. The angle is given. We are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side, that is x. So we are going to use tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Angle is 60 degree. Substituting the value there, we are going to have tan 60 degree equal to AB by BP. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. Substituting root 3, we will have root 3 equal to AB value is, we have taken that to be h, by BP we have taken as x. Now taking this x to that side and bringing root 3 to this side, we will have x is equal to h by root 3, or you can keep it as root 3x. Now you have found that h is equal to root 3 into x. Keep this as result 1. Now we will take the second triangle. In triangle, this is triangle CDP. Angle is given. Again we are going to relate with the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we are going to take tan theta. Now the angle here is 30 degree. So we are going to have tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side, which is h. First we will write the side. It is CD by this is dP. Substituting the values, we know that tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So we have 1 by root 3 equal to CD, that is h, by dP, which is 80 minus x. 80 minus x. Taking this 80 minus x to that side, we will have 80 minus x by root 3 equal to h. We will take this as 2. Now we have found the height of this pole and this pole. In the question they have given that height of the poles are equal. So the answers of the first one and the second one will be equal. So equating their left hand sides, we are going to have, here we have root 3x. We will write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, since this height of the poles are the same, then the left hand sides also will be equal. So we are going to have root 3x equal to 80 minus x by root 3. Now, taking this root 3 to this side, we are going to have root 3 into root 3 is going to be 3x equal to 80 minus x. Now bringing that x to this side, we will have 3x plus x equal to 80. That is 4x is equal to 80. Then your x is going to be 80 divided by 4. Now we have found that x is equal to 20 meter. Substituting here, the remaining distance is going to be 80 minus x. So we will have dp equal to 80 minus x, that is 80 minus 20 equal to 60 meter. Now we have found two answers. The answers are: the person is standing at a distance of 20 meter from one pole and at a distance of 60 meter from the other pole. We have to find the height of the poles also. We have h is equal to root 3x. Substituting it there, you know that you have found your x value, it is 20. So it is going to be 20 root 3 meter. Now we have found height of the pole. Height of pole equal to 20 root 3 meter. Person is standing at a distance of 20 meter from first pole and at a distance of 60 meter from the other.